this is Washabi. Today we're doing another unboxing. This time it is a Seiko, but you notice the size of the box as well as how the printing on the cardboard slip is. It looks like a Grand Seiko cardboard slip with all the warnings and all that jazz. You don't see it in the normal typical Seiko watches, only on Grand Seiko and above. In terms of this kind of wording or i.e. warnings, but this is not Grand Seiko, which is something interesting. Anyway, let me slip it open and you see what it is. There's another. This is also another box, simple tin cardboard box, black with a Seiko printed on it. So you know it's a Seiko. It's confirmed. That is the manual. This is the this is printing, and this is the manual. This is a 6R35 powered watch. That's what it is. Okay, another very interesting. It comes even with this rice paper covering. And here's a Presage with that nice metal applied plate, the word Presage on it. And when you open this, what you get is the receipt. And this is the big reveal. Ta-da! This is the SPB127J1. This is the 1964 Seiko Chronograph tribute watch, bi-directional bezel, sapphire crystal, slight domed, screw down crown, solid case back with a limited edition numbering. So this is it. I will give a full review about this watch later, but suffice to say, this is how you would get if you were to buy this watch from your authorized dealer. And thank you so much. More later. Bye bye.